Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to easily sign up for the MEXC exchange and enjoy the incredible benefits it offers. If you're looking to dive into the world of cryptocurrency trading, MEXC is a fantastic platform to start your journey. First, let's talk about why signing up for MEXC is a smart move. MEXC is known for its user-friendly interface, extensive selection of cryptocurrencies, and competitive trading fees. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, MEXC provides the tools you need to make informed trading decisions. To get started, all you need to do is visit the MEXC website. The sign-up process is quick and straightforward. Simply click on the Sign Up button, fill in your details, and you're almost there. But wait, this is where things get even better. When you sign up, make sure to use the referral code 12K4M5. By entering this code during the registration process, you unlock exclusive benefits that enhance your trading experience. This could include discounted trading fees, access to special promotions, or even bonus rewards, depending on the current offers from MEXC. Using referral codes not only rewards you, but it also helps support creators like us at Crypto Kickstart. So dive in and take advantage of this opportunity. Once you're registered, you can explore MEXC's wide array of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs. The platform regularly hosts exciting events and competitions, giving you the chance to earn while you learn. In summary, signing up for MEXC is your gateway to an incredible trading experience. Don't forget to enter the referral code 12K4M5 when you register to unlock those amazing benefits. Join the growing community of crypto enthusiasts and start trading today. Thank you for watching this video on Crypto Kickstart. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more exciting content about the world of cryptocurrency. Happy trading!